Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a very specific but incredibly useful component for owners of the original DJI Mavic Mini. This is a genuine GPS board designed as a repair spare part, specifically intended to replace a damaged original GPS or IMU module on the Mavic Mini 1. For anyone who has experienced issues with their drone's positioning, stability, or intelligent flight modes due to a faulty GPS or IMU, this part offers a direct solution. One of the most critical aspects of this component is that it's described as a genuine original accessory. When dealing with sensitive and complex electronics like those in a drone, using authentic parts is paramount for ensuring proper function and compatibility. This isn't a third-party imitation. It's the real deal, designed by DJI or manufactured to their exact specifications to integrate perfectly with the Mavic Mini 1 system. It's built to replace the damaged original board seamlessly, restoring the drone's full capabilities. The description highlights that installation is easy. While any drone repair requires care and some technical comfort, the indication of easy installation suggests that a motivated drone owner with basic tools and perhaps a guide could potentially perform this repair themselves. This is a significant advantage, as sending a drone in for service can be time-consuming and expensive. Being able to replace the faulty board at home means getting the drone back in the air much faster and potentially saving a considerable amount of money. Furthermore, the part is characterized by fine craftsmanship and is noted as high quality for professional use. This speaks to the precision and reliability of the component. It's not just a simple replacement. It's manufactured to meet the standards required for professional-grade equipment, ensuring that once installed, the drone's GPS and IMU functions will be accurate and dependable. The description also emphasizes its durability, wear resistance, and long lifetime. This means the repair isn't just a temporary fix. The new genuine board is built to last, providing reliable performance for many flights into the future. In essence, this genuine GPS board provides a vital lifeline for a damaged DJI Mavic Mini 1. It allows owners to address critical navigation and stability issues caused by a faulty GPS or IMU module using a high-quality, original part. The ease of installation makes DIY repair a viable option, and the durability ensures that the drone's restored functionality will endure. It's a practical, high-quality spare part that can save a valuable drone from being grounded permanently, allowing it to fly safely and accurately once again.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.